Guys, how you all doing? Mike here from the Millennium Marketing. All right, so basically, I've been talking about this platform, the Tron Day investment platform, for some time now, and this platform is very 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 fresh, very very fresh. It's actually less than a week right now. And for this kind of opportunities, the best time to actually come in is, in the early stage. So as an early adopter, early investor, you basically cash out. And that's one of the biggest secrets based on my research and, past and happenings in the crypto world. The early investors basically are the ones that actually make the most money. Look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the likes. All right, so basically, I'm just going to be showing you how you can activate this platform. You can actually come in with a minimum of about 5k, 5,000 naira. I always recommend you coming with money you can afford to lose, because this is high risk, right? And at the same time, it's very very profitable. So you get 150% of your investment every 48 hours. So that's 75% every day, which you can always withdraw anytime, any day. And yeah, you can run this for as long as you're willing to. So I'm just going to show you how you can get started immediately. So the first thing you need to do is to download Trust Wallet. So you need to download Trust Wallet. Go to Play Store. Um, so this is Trust Wallet right here. So this is Trust Wallet. If you don't have that, so download it on your phone. Then basically just follow the prompt. So ask me for the tutorial on basically how to set up, create your Trust Wallet account. There's a 12 word phrase that will be given to you. Ensure you save that 12 word phrase, right? That is like everything. There's no password on Trust Wallet. If you forget your password, there's nothing like going to reset password. If somebody also gets your 12 word phrase like alpha, beta, mint, and all those kind of things, they'll just give you different words. That person can withdraw your money from any wallet from anywhere in the world. So you need to keep that safe. I have mine written in my Bible, because Bible is like one of the safest place ever. All right, so let's go to Trust Wallet right now. So if you have your Trust Wallet, just like this, you put in your security code. I'm using all right, so the first thing you need to do is you need to activate your coins, because this would actually be blank on your system, right, on your phone when you basically sign up. So what you need to do is, as you can see, this is my Tron. So we're using the Tron TRX, and you can see transactions that I've basically made on this system. So let me show you how to activate this. So you click right here, you click on this guy right here, right? um then you just click on Tron. So let me deactivate my Tron now. I can activate and deactivate my Tron. So I've deactivated it right now. If I come back to my page, you will see that I do not have any active coins right here. So in order to do that, click on this icon by the right, top right, then look for Tron TRX. Tron TRX. So this is the one with red icon. That is the one you're going to click. So all you need to do is you just turn it on like this. And if you go back, you can see your Tron. So that is the first thing you need to do. Now, the second thing you need to do is to copy your Tron address. And how do you copy your Tron address? Just click on Tron right here. Then click on the Tron icon. You can click on the Tron icon. Just click on the image right there, and you've basically copied your address. Then the next thing you need to do is to go to the link that I will send you. So let me show you that particular link. Okay, so go to this. So this is my referral code, right? So this is my referral code, so I'm going to send that to you. um Okay, so now it's going to ask you to paste your Tron wallet in order for you to create an account. So in order for you to create an account, you basically need to paste this. So let me just show you a few things before I go there. Basically how to start. Like I said, it's very easy. Enter your wallet address, which is your Tron wallet address, deposit the money depending on how much you want to invest, start mining, then also withdraw obviously every 48 hours, or if you really want to leave it for some time for compounding interest, where you make more earnings from there, right? And one of the beautiful things I love about this, because a blockchain or anything that is decentralized, or what blockchain technology is a public ledger, and that is that exists across a distributed nodes of computer. So meaning that anybody can actually see the different transactions that happen within the blockchain technology. And basically this has an element of that transparency. You can see the different transactions that have been happening in real time. This is the latest withdrawals and deposits that have happened on this system. So you can see the last one was 139 Tron, and this happened just about 7 o'clock. So I'm recording this video about, this is 8 o'clock right now. So you can see the different transactions and the time and the amount that has been happening on this platform. So that gives a little bit of transparency, right? So like I said, all you need to do is to click paste your Tron address. So that is my address. You click right there, and okay, so that's the account found. So once you click that, it's going to basically create your account, right? So the next thing you need to do is so this, for you, this will be blank to say your balance is blank. So you need to basically put in a deposit. You need to make a deposit. So you click right here, click on deposit, then you need to generate a deposit address. So generate a deposit address to generate that. So all you need to do is to copy this particular address, then go back to Trust Wallet. Go back to Trust Wallet. Go back to your Trust Wallet account. Put in my code. Now on Trust Wallet, right? So you basically need to chat my financial person that will basically sell to you the amount of Trust Wallet you want to basically invest in. So that person will transfer the money to you. If you want to do 5k, 10k, 20k, would give you the value in Trust Wallet, in Tron. Sorry about that. So once you get that into your system, into your Trust Wallet, all you need to do is to click right here, then click on send, click on send, click on send, then paste it right here, paste that address right here, then click on this and click on max. So if you click on max, it's going to show you the amount you can basically invest in. So you can put it in USD. So if you want to say, let's say $6, I don't have up to $6. So I think I have about $4 right here. So let me see if I can even send that to my Trust Wallet. So let me do $3. So let me do $3. Let me see if this is going to go. If you click on continue, so that's $3. So you can see the network fee is 1.1 TRX, which is equals to 0.07. So let me just try and transfer this. Okay, so it says insufficient Tron, so I don't have enough Tron, because there's a minimum deposit you can actually use. The minimum deposit is 10 Trons. I do not have up to that. So once you click on, basically once you get to this place, you click on next, and basically it's the transaction will be successful, and that will reflect in your investment platform. Then you need to wait for another 48 hours to actually get the 150%. So basically, guys, this is how you can actually get started right now on this platform. Thanks.
I'm something. I start off as a caterpillar. Then I become a chrysalis. Then later I have colorful wings after going through a metamorphosis. What am I? I'm a butterfly. Did you guess the correct?